when I do my top down analysis, I love to start from my weekly time frame. So let's go back to my weekly time frame. This is my weekly time frame. And as you can see clearly, market is currently on an uptrend. Like market has been on uptrend since this year. You can see the date. Market has been buying since this year, 2025. So this is where price is currently at. This weekly time frame helps me to know where price is currently at and where price is most likely to head to. So coming over to my daily time frame, you can see market is also buying from my daily time frame. So what I'm going to be doing next is to map out my recent zone. This is the most recent zone, like the most closest zone. This is the most closest zone. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm going to be mapping it out so that if market is ready for a retracement, I will now have an idea of where the retracement is most likely to stop at or get to. So guys, this is our daily zone. Like this is the most closest zone from where price is currently. So if market is retracing, this is where I should be expecting the retracement to come to before the buyers continue driving the market up. So going over to my 4 hours time frame, you can see what's happening on my 4 hours time frame. My 4 hours time frame also has this own zone, which I'll also be mapping out. So guys, let me map it out though. But from the structure I'm seeing here, from the price action that is happening here, you can see that sellers are coming into the market because market, this is the most recent high market created. Let me map it out also. This is the most recent high market created, and after creating this level, market didn't break this level. Instead, it left a weak rejection, showing rejection like it's rejected this zone, which could also imply that the retracement, the sellers are gradually coming to the market since market is unable to break this zone, making this level a strong resistance level. So we'll also be mapping out this most recent low that the market created so that when market breaks it, then we'll now know that this is going to be the last confirmation. Like when price comes here and breaks below this zone, then we now know that the sellers are ready to take the market down to our zone from daily time frame or even below it. So guys, this is what we are expecting from our 4 hours time frame. Either market breaks here or breaks above this zone. So we're expecting market to either break above this zone this week. This is our bias for this new week. Either market to break above this zone or break below this zone. If market should break above this zone, then we now know that the buyers are still in the market and they are ready to drive the market upwards. And if market should break below this zone, then we now know that okay, sellers are ready to drive the market down, which is the retracement from the daily time frame that we saw. So coming over to my 1 hour time frame, you can see what market looks like. You can see what price is doing. We can see when market came over to this zone. From what we saw from our daily time frame, this is a strong resistance level. We can decide to map this zone out like this. You can see this zone is very strong. So when market came, you can see market sold down all the way down to 28.38. and after that market bought back to this zone, and after that you can see this strong bearish candle indicating that sellers are strong in the market, like sellers came with force. This strong bearish candle, we can't ignore it. It shows the power that sellers are coming into the market with. And after this strong bearish candle, which even closed above this below this zone, you can see this long weak rejection, implying that buyers are also fighting to be in this market. So guys, let's go over to our 15 minutes time frame to understand what's happening here. You can see this weak rejection here, and you can see these multiple weak rejections at this zone. So 15 minutes, going over to our 15 minutes. Okay, you can see how market is consolidating in this area as a result of what we saw in the 1 hour time frame. So guys, in this kind of market, remember we take our entry positions from 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame, or 5 minutes time frame. So coming over to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, 5 minutes time frame is also a representation of what 15 minutes time, what is happening in 15 minutes time frame. So coming over to 15 minutes time frame, anything can happen in the market, and anything can literally happen. So from what we are seeing, we can see market is not breaking highs. Either is it breaking the lows it created, which means that market is currently consolidating. This is a ranging market. We are experiencing a small ranging market from our 15 minutes time frame. So what we are going to do when we are trading a ranging market like this is that we'll be expecting a break either above this zone or below this zone. If we're expecting a break above this zone, we should be expecting something like this. This is what is happening in the market. So we should be expecting that price breaks this above this zone, comes back and retests. Even to be on a safer side, comes back and retests, and this is the nearest zone. Oh, sorry. This is the nearest zone. Like this is, if we're expecting buyers in the market, this is where we are most likely to set our take profits. So guys, to be on the safer side, we can be expecting something like this in the market. Exactly something like this. Like, wow, where is it hanging? So guys, some people may choose to enter after this retest at this zone, while others to be on a safer side after, if after markets must have broken out from this consolidation, retests, creates a new high, retests back to the previous high, and when once market is about to, or once market breaks this most center it creates, this is when you have your entry to be on a safer side, and this is for an up movement if you're expecting market to buy before any other thing. Then, but if we're expecting a down movement from what we are seeing on the 15 minutes time frame, just as market is currently consolidating. So guys, what we're expecting is for market to break below this zone, the tests and drop. And to be on a safer side, to be on a safer side, this is where our position, where we'll be putting our entry position, our SL above this zone, and then entry position. We can see what's happening on the left side of the market. So we're going over to 1 hour to set our take profit. So that you can see most people will be entering either at immediate break from this zone or at the retest. But to be on the most safer side, wait for market to break below this consolidation, retest and breaks. See, this is the zone we are looking at. This most recent low it created. So once market breaks below this most recent low, this is now when you have your entry position. Going over to our 1 hour time frame, this is the nearest zone from a 1 hour time frame, where if this is what market is most likely to do, this is where we should be expecting, this is where we should be placing our take profits. So guys,
This will be the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching to this point. And if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to hit the like button. Do well to subscribe to this channel. You can also turn on your post notification so that you get notified when next I post a new content on this channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.